We are at the Honeyberry Farm. It's July 16th, 2017, and we're harvesting a honeybee from the University of Saskatchewan breeding program. And this was planted, I believe, I should have checked my notes, but 2013, I believe. So it's quite a mature plant, and I've left the harvesting until now. I had it netted, protected against those cedar waxwings and robins. So I had it well protected, and I just checked, and we've got these pools set around because honeybee is ready to drop its berries. But it's been great. It has not dropped hardly any berries until now. We had heavy winds last week and rain, and it came through that. Had a bit of protection from the netting, I suppose, as well. But so it holds on its berries really well until they're fully ripe, and then watch what happens. Just a little tap, a little shake, and down they go. Honeybee has a very nice large berry. It's oblong. It's a Russian and Japanese mixture of genetics. So it has that tartness from the Russians, but a real flavorful, good flavor if it's left to fully ripen. We're going to be harvesting this, and then we'll measure, see how much we get, how many pounds of fruit, and we'll let you know later. Honeybee harvested, and we're going to test the bricks here. I'm going to grab a couple berries. They're going on an inch long here, over an inch, some of them. Let's see. This one looks still kind of green inside. It might not be that ripe. Not that ripe, but it doesn't taste too bad. That one's not ripe enough yet either. Here's a juicy one. You know, it's really not that dark inside. I'm going to go ahead and measure the bricks on this one. On the Russian berries, they turn real dark purple inside when they're fully ripe. But on the ones with more Japanese influence, they tend to be greener on the inside. Well, we've got a 12 rating on this one, 12 and a half. This is a refractometer. It measures the bricks, which is the soluble solids. I believe it's the sugar level of this. And winemakers, I guess they like them up around 15 or so. 13 to 15, higher, the higher the better. And the less sugar you have to add. But I'll try another one here, just to see what this one does. But the taste is pretty good. Aaron, what did you say you thought the taste was like? How did you like it? This one's 13, yeah.
It's tart, and then there's like a warm finish that kind of reminds me of wine.
Yeah. Yeah, it does make wonderful wine. So, yeah, so we're going to pull this apart. Keep rolling there, and we'll try to, how we just try and carefully pull the pools away. You can use a tarp. We have these paddling pools. The bigger the better. We have a nice, about a 5-foot wide one here, and a smaller one here. And the honeybee has dry scar is what they call it. It doesn't really bleed when you pull it from the stem, unless the stem is attached. But when it's ripe and drops by itself, it stays intact pretty good. It's really not very mushy here, so I'm going to just take a leaf blower and blow some of the debris off. Too many berries. If you put the berries in a deeper container, then they'll twirl around and the debris will just lift off. Or you can send them down a chute, and that's on a different video. But yeah, I'm pleased with this so far. It looks like we got several pounds, and I guess we'll take them over to the house and weigh them up. So we decided there really was more debris than we wanted to deal with, so we're going to show you the blow and slide method of cleaning. And the fewer number of times that we move the berries, the better. So we're going to go directly from the paddling pool, actually to the flats. plaid in the bucket. Well, I guess it doesn't fit, so we're going to transfer them one extra time to the flat. We'll do it in here just to catch because there might be some berries. Okay, go for it. Okay, that gets all that fine debris that's sitting at the bottom of the pool, and there's a few leaves, but those are attached, I think, to the berries. So I'm just going to gently pour them out. And then I like to cool them. It really helps to cool them in the refrigerator, and then you can go back and do the final cleaning and remove the stems. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how clean they came out. How about you?
Yeah?
Yeah, they look great. All right, thanks. Today's harvest of one single honeyberry plant from the University of Saskatchewan breeding program. They are beauties. They aren't the sweetest right now. They were just ripe enough, running around 13, 14 bricks, but they drop very nicely. We had very few, maybe less than maybe 3% of the berries or less still have their stems attached. They release very nicely when you let them ripen long enough. They need an extra week to 10 days beyond the other University of Saskatchewan early varieties to really ripen up. And we got 8.8 pounds off of one single bush that was planted in 2013. And there's still a quarter pound probably. We probably lost about a quarter pound that dropped. So I'd say we're running 9 pounds on a mature bush, and I'm very pleased. Thank you.